Hey, good morning. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is, what is it? Monday, the 11th of May, 2020. Currently 5:37 a.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts and what I've done on them. The new candle was at 4 a.m. this morning. Welcome to a new trading week. It's a Monday. It took a long time for the spreads to come in. I had a lot of work to do on my daily charts, hence the lateness of this video. And I think a few of the pairs have already moved a bit also. So let's run through it. As I said, this is my high probability setup on the 12-hour charts. On the right here, you can see my watch list, all the trades I've got running, all the pairs I'm looking at. Highlighted in orange are the ones I'm going to discuss in the video. Blue, I've currently got trades on. If they're not highlighted, no trades. All trades taken are recorded on a shared spreadsheet. That's available in the description of the video. There's a link to that spreadsheet in there. Anyone's more than welcome to have a look at that, see how we're going on these 12-hour charts. So let's start. CH, Swiss, Japanese yen. I was stopped out on a sell in here. You can see a little red dotted line there. This sell trade here, it's a little bit hard to see the entry. It was up here on this red QMP filter dot. So it was in here, took the sell. This is the MACD Platinum, the zero lag MACD. As soon as it went through the zero level, it closed half, put a stop in place, and on Friday that was stopped out, so that's been cleared. I can delete that, I just leave it on there. So that gave me a whopping profit of 85 cents, which has been added to the profit to date. Now this morning, two trades taken on the same candle. S1 stands for sequence 1. As I say in the videos, you can always pause my videos, read my notes. So sequence 1 started here with this buy. Buys are designated in blue. And there's a new buy on this candle also. So there's a third buy on sequence 1 on this new candle. And there's also a start of a new sequence. So another sequence has been started. The reason the new sequence has started, the MACD Platinum's below the zero level, so it's a valid buy signal. There's green trend lines designate bullish divergence, red trend lines bearish divergence. If you see yellow dash lines like this, they're a break-even level. So I've got an overall break-even and a break-even for sequence 1. There's two different break-even levels. When I say overall, I mean every trade. If I say sequence 1, just means the sequence 1 trades. You see blue trend lines like this, just means I've got something that interests me. In this case, it was a support level. It's obviously been broken. You know, I could probably extend it across and see if it breaks through there. But we took this buy this morning, heading in the right direction, which is good. Euro yen, let's check my notes. Took a new buy this morning here. Already in a sequence 1, which is a sell, and it's got a stop in place, already closed half. Got regular bullish divergence this morning. It's a bit of a high risk trade into the trend. So you've got to be careful about that sort of trading. Overall break-evens is yellow dash line down here for both trades. And because price, as long as price stays above this yellow line, because we're net plus 0.01, both trades are in profit. So that's Euro yen, took a new buy, higher risk trade this morning. But valid signal, MACD Platinum's below the zero level. Remember, only looking for buys when it's below the zero level and sells when it's above the zero level. Pound yen, I think, is very similar, except a little bit more higher risk. Yeah, it's similar to the Euro yen, except it's right into the MAs there. So this is a much higher risk trade. We're still in a sell, which is very tight. They're all very tight. There's a stop in place for the sell. Overall break-evens, the yellow dash line. Again, as long as price stays above it, we're profitable in both trades. MACD Platinum's close to the zero level. There is regular bullish divergence. It's not a great setup, so, but I'm taking a lot of all these. I'm just about taking every setup on the 12-hour charts just to try and prove something. Right, New Zealand Swiss franc, one that's been dragging on for a long time. Sequence 1, you can read on the left here. It's all these trades starting from over here, which is back in February. About 2 days after I started the 12-hour trading. Sequence 2 starts here, which is a buy. MACD Platinum through the zero level. All I've done this morning was close half of this trade on sequence 2, the buy. and that profit there was $9.64. That's been added to the profit to date. It modified the overall break-even for all trades up a little bit higher, but it locks in profit. The MACD have to take action. The MACD platinum through the zero level. So at least we're heading in the right direction, getting closer to the overall break-even. In the meantime, we're building up a profit bank here, but the problem is the swap. It's a negative. Well, it was 270. That was last week. I don't know what it is now. It's probably over 300 now. So it's something I've got to make up between the two. But I can tell you now, if this thing just shot up, went straight through those overall break-even levels, yeah, that swap would be covered. It would easily be covered. So no big deals. That's the New Zealand Swiss, just closed, partial close. USD Japanese yen, took a buy trade this morning, new buy trade. This sequence is just one sequence that's going basically sideways, just hugging the MACD zero level. That's a dotted line there. So I took a new buy. It's a high risk trade. There is regular bullish divergence there. It's already gone up nicely. It's heading towards the overall break even. It's been a tough pair to trade lately. I normally like the USD Japanese yen, but this is the Corona part, and suddenly it's gone into this pretty crappy sort of slightly downward range, but starting to get some traction to the upside. So that's it for the 12-hour charts, guys. If you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button or hit the like button. And like always, everyone's more than welcome to join my private Facebook group or the Telegram groups. And looks like we've got a fair bit of work on the daily charts. There's just a lot of protective trades. So hedges, tough times. All right, no worries. Thanks for watching. And as I said, if you do like the videos, subscribe or hit the like button. And let's get this week cranked up and get some pips made. Enjoy. Cheers.